Hello friends, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to automatically calculate the last n month average in Google Sheets. And for example, I'm going to calculate the last 3 month average. In this Google Sheets document, I have created a sales tracking format for different products for different month. And currently the sales quantity are updated up to May month. And here in this n column, I need to calculate the last 3 month average. Currently, I have the data up to May, so I need the average of March, April and May. As soon as I update the June month sales quantity, then I should get the average from April, May and June. So the formula should be dynamic here. When the new month sales are updated, it should automatically pick up the last 3 months. So in this case, we can use the formula like this. Click on this cell, go to the formula bar, then press equals, use the index function, open the bracket. In the reference of the index function, select this sales quantities from B2 to M2, then put a comma. And here in the row parameter, use the count A function, open bracket, and in the value 1 of the count A function, again select this B2 to M2 range, close bracket for index function, then press enter. This formula displayed the quantity of 12 unit. This 12 unit is picked up from this cell. If I add here July month sales, for example 9 unit, then I'll get this 9 unit here. Now after this count A function, put here -2, then hit enter. This formula displayed the quantity of 17 unit. This 17 unit is picked up from this May month cell. When you add this -2 in the formula, then you will get the quantity of earlier 2 months. That is, if you have updated the sales quantity up to July, then you will get the May month quantity here. That is 17 unit. If you add here August month sales, for example 15 unit, now you get the quantity of 2 months earlier. That is the June month quantity, 12 unit. Now click on this cell, go to the formula bar, put here the colon symbol, then copy this part of the formula again. This part, copy the formula, then paste the formula here. Then remove this -2 from the second index formula. Press enter. Now you get the quantities of the last 3 months in a range. Here you can see this 12, 9 and 15 is given from last 3 months. If I delete these quantities from here, from June, July and August, then here you see this range automatically change. Now it is giving the quantities of March, April and May, 16, 18, 17. Here you see 16, 18, 17 is given. Now if you combine the average function in this formula, then you will get the last 3 month average. So go to the formula bar, then before the formula, combine average function, open bracket, click at the end of the formula, then close a bracket for average function, then press enter. And here you can see this is the average of March, April and May, 17 unit. If I add here June month quantity, for example 13 unit, here you see the average automatically change. This is the average of April, May and June, 16 unit. Now you can simply drag this formula for other products, and these are the average of last 3 months. To remove these digit after decimal, you can simply select the range, then here go to this decrease decimal tool. Let me check for this last product. Currently the average is 16 unit, which is given from this range, March, April and May. Average is 16. If I add here June month sales, for example 22 unit, here you can see the average auto calculate. Suppose that you need the last 2 month average, then you can simply go to the formula, then put here -1. Instead of putting -2, put -1 for last 2 month average, put -3 for last 4 month average, and so on. So this is all about calculating the last 3 month average in Google Sheets. If you want to practice this formula, you can download this Google Sheets document from the link given in the video description section. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.